right, let's go in. So this is the entryway. Oh, geez. Okay, and then we'll go off this way. This is the living room. Go to the window. So we kind of have a city view, but then also the water, which is pretty cool. Dining room, kitchen. Y'all, I'm so excited. I have a garbage disposal in this. Yes. Super nice. And then if you go off, here's the master. So there's a giant closet here, linen closet. And then you go over here. This is the master. Oh my God, I'm in here with my shoes on. We just got new carpet. But here is one closet. And then it's the same view out this way. Come over here. It's the bathroom. So all white, standing. The shower heads are my favorite. Yes, honey. And then to the other side. Oh, also, so we have some storage for jackets in here. And right here is like a giant shoe rack, which is amazing, even though I already bought a 50 shoe rack, but it's fine. And then another closet when you come through that door with the washer and dryer in it. And then this one has a bathtub, same shower head, also all white. And then another walk-in closet in this bedroom. So this one's the guest. And then same view this way. And yeah. Let's do another overview.